Yeah. No, me too. All right. Thanks, Chase.
Rosen?
Yeah. The wind's in the clear. Otto, not so much.
Why, what happened?
He shattered Stahl's face.
Oh, I love that man.
Trying to prove to the club he wasn't going to give anything up. We're clear of the ATF, ladies and germs.
Now that I have you in a good mood, Jax's house. Just some remodeling and shit, for the baby.
2,300 bucks? For painting? Shit, I could have the prospect do it for free.
The baby is coming home any day, and I want the house to be perfect.
Okay.
That's why I love
Clay, cops.
Get off her! Hey!
Robert Munson, you're under arrest for the murder of Brandon Hatfield. Who? You have the right to remain silent.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
I'll call Rosen, Bobby. You just sit tight.
Oh, bitch!
Oh, easy now!
Manners, darling. Manners.